everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I am going to do a little like cheeky NHS set because I haven't done one yet. So this is like a little NHS set from me. I am using my flexi hand and I'm using two separate brands of acrylic today. So the first one I'm using here is Genesis from Natalie. I'm using the cover. This is a cover powder, so I had to think about that. This one's called Peach, so I'm going to be using this one, and I'm also going to be using their clear acrylic, which is called Crystal. So the pinky and the index finger are going to be the same. They're both going to be peach nails. I'm not doing a thumb. If I were going to do a thumb, I'd probably do the thumb peach as well. But I like when I do photos, I mostly miss out the thumb in the photos. So I thought, what's even the point of doing a thumb? I know some of you will probably be thinking, but I won't know what to do on the thumb, because some people like to recreate sets, which is fine. But you wouldn't know what to do on the thumb. So for this set, I'm just going to let you know that I would probably do peach on the thumb as well, and just literally have the two like pastel rainbow nails be the focal point of the set, I suppose is probably the right thing to say. Oh my god, I can't get my words out as per usual. So this is the peach. We're just going to do a full nail of this, then we're going to move on to the ring finger. So I'm using the Pixie Powders pastel colours for this. Now I've decided that these aren't for me. They're nice on their own, but they are, I don't know what it is. I'm not a fan of these, basically. I'm using them because they're what I've got, and that's why I'm using them. I think if I would not buy them again, that's all I'm saying. There's nothing majorly wrong with them. They're just not for me. That's what I'm saying. I'm sure there's loads of people out there who use them, and see, look, I've put the blue and the green on. They look exactly the same colour. They're so pigmented with the white that you lose, like, I can't really explain it. I know what I'm on about, but I don't know at the same time. Story of my life, don't know what I'm on about. See, I'm having to keep going back to the previous colour to apply more colour to that. Otherwise the next colour that you put on, it basically, you just lose it. It just hides it. Yeah, but I mean, the overall look turns out fine. It's just a pain in the arse to get to it. Do you know what I mean? So now we've done that, I'm going to be using some Diamond Dust glitter from Nail Sugar. This is one of my absolute favouriteest glitters in the whole wide world, and if you are a Nail Sugar fan, which you should be, this should be a staple in your collection. It's a beautiful fine iridescent glitter. So I'm just going to take a little tiny wet bead of clear acrylic, and I'm going to dip it into that glitter, and I'm just going to spread that all over the nail, so you can still see the pastel rainbow underneath, but you want to see that glitter as well. And then I have got some Iridescent Letters, which I haven't used, I don't think, in a set yet. Or have I? No, I have not. Not for YouTube anyway. I used them sneakily in a set that I was playing around with. Now I've got an N, an H and an S for National Health Service. You'll know what that is if you live in the UK. I'm putting that on the nail, so that kind of is, it's a little bit hidden by the Diamond Duster, but every time you flash your nail, every now and then you'll see NHS. That's kind of what the idea was. And then I'm using Sprinkle of, was it Twinkle Twinkle? Yeah, Twinkle Twinkle. These have got hearts in. I'm only going to use the hearts in this, so ignore the circles and there's stars, ignore those. We're going to pick out the hearts. Now, if you're doing this on a client, you'd probably want to put the hearts the other way round. But, oh, I forgot to press record, by the way, as well. So all I've done is I've either put a little bit of clear acrylic on the nail and put the heart on, or I've picked the heart up with a little bit of clear acrylic. But yeah, if you're doing this on a real client, you'll probably want to put the hearts the other way around, but because of the way I take my photos for my Instagram, I've put the hearts on upside down because I photograph the hands pointing upwards, the nails pointing upwards, so I want the hearts to be the right way around, if that makes sense. So I'm going to put peach on the index here, then I'm going to file and cap them, cap and then file and buff them, which I've already done. Then once you've done that, just get all the dust off. I'm just using isopropyl alcohol here just to clean off the dust and stuffs. And then I am now gonna, so it's top coating time. Yeah, top coat time. I'm using Nail Chemie's non-wipe top coat for this. So that is the index. Then we're gonna move on to, look how pretty that is. I kind of feel like I've put NHS on slightly wonky, but you know what? It's okay. It's not the end of the world, is it? Isn't that? Look at the diamond dust underneath that as well. Oh my god, I freaking love them. I love it. And then the ones with the hearts. If you wanted to, you could use all that glitter. I just wanted to use hearts because I love them. But I love the NHS. I think it's amazing, and I think everyone, not even NHS key workers, but everyone, key workers generally, have, you know, they've just been amazing. Yeah, and especially NHS people on the front line. So look, that's the finished set. I hope you like them. I do. If you did, please leave me a like. And then while you're clicking that like button, just go ahead and click that red subscribe button. That would be amazing. Yeah, and I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with another video. I love these. I can't help it. I just do. Right, I'm off. I'll see you beautiful lot tomorrow.